PBC Linear is a global manufacturer of bearings, linear motion systems, single-axis robots, and other equipment for factory automation. We were founded in 1983. We service the majority of the Fortune 500 customers and anybody who makes products or has any kind of automation in their factory. We provide equipment and products to them, provide those products have some kind of linear motion in them. PBC uses Infor's SyteLine product or CloudSuite Industrial. We also use Infor CPQ, Data Lake, and Factory Track. So PBC is considered a leader in the industry when it comes to visualization of our products. One of the things that's very important for customers to understand, because humans are visual creatures, we want to see things. When you're looking at a particularly complex part number, some of our part numbers are 28, 30 characters long, and sometimes changing just one letter or one number can mean a significantly different product that you're going to receive. We've invested significantly in our configurator or the Infor CPQ product, and that allows us to present a sales tool to customers, which is accessible either through a salesperson visiting them and working through the sales cycle with them, or they can go to our website, open up the configurator, and go through the selection list and go through and choose what they want. And that has really helped our sales and our communication to our customers, so customers know what they're getting. Infor CPQ has been an enormous benefit to our business. About 2 years ago, we started tracking what CPQ has done for us. And in those two and a half years, we have generated about 19,000 different drawings based on customer needs. And if we look at what it takes or would have taken humans to do that, you're at almost 40,000 hours that we have saved over the last 2.5 years, which is a significant number. Now we are able to deliver much faster than our competitors because of this tool. Using CPQ has driven our customer satisfaction levels up a notch, and we see customers who are significantly happier with us because of that. The next step that we want to go with the configurator is to fully automate the upstream purchasing process, which is going to create an immense time savings for us, a cost savings for us, and increase our speed and throughput, which should also drive up customer satisfaction. Infor has been a great partner to PBC Linear. Anytime that there has been an issue, they've always been very quick to respond. They've got a global team that can support us even during off hours in the US. They've been a great partner to work with, and I would wholeheartedly recommend them